How many of you have ever phoned a friend to plan an escape route on a date that was going south? In commercial real estate, knowing your exit strategies and subleasing rights in a lease is just as crucial. It's about having a backdoor when things don't go as planned. Welcome back, guys. I'm Amit Grover at ECMP Studios, here to navigate you through the safe exits and flexible options of commercial leases. Today, we're talking about crafting your lease with an escape plan that protects your business interest without burning bridges. First off, exit strategies in a lease are like knowing the closest exit in a smoky room. They provide a way out if your business situation changes unexpectedly, allowing you to terminate the lease under specific conditions without facing severe penalties. It's about foreseeing possible changes in your business climate and planning accordingly. Next step, subleasing rights or your lease's plan B. They allow you to rent out your space to somebody else if you need to relocate or downsize. It's like being able to tag someone else into a date that isn't going your way. Subleasing can mitigate financial losses by ensuring that the space doesn't sit vacant, costing you money. Now, to negotiate these terms effectively, start with clear communication. Express to your landlord why these options are essential, not just for you, but a safety valve that benefits both parties. It's like negotiating boundaries in a relationship. Clarity and foresight can prevent misunderstanding and conflicts. Next, ensure your lease explicitly states the conditions under which you can execute these strategies. Whether it's economic downturn, business relocation, or other significant changes, having these terms in writing is like having a legally binding prenup that safeguards your interests. Next episode, we will dive into negotiating for exclusivity clauses. Think of exclusivity in a lease like going steady in a relationship. If you enjoyed today's episode on planning safe exits, you will want to tune in to learn how to secure a commitment that benefits your business. If you're pondering over your current lease or planning a new negotiation and could use some strategic advice, remember, ECMP is here to help. Comment below to ensure your lease agreement includes the flexibility you need for a prosperous business future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay